Alright, back to the laboratory. This thing is fully disassembled, so I kind of forgot how to reassemble an Xbox drive. I'm going to test it before I actually fully reassemble it. Let's see what displays. HDMI, no signal. Fan spin. Okay, so just need man, ain't nothing wrong with the Xbox. Just needed a hard drive. This shit gotta work, man. First thing we want to do is run a hard drive test on the hard drive from the Xbox. Got my SATA to USB converter right here. Then once turned off, you're gonna hold the eject and the sync button for the controller. You can hold these two right here, then tap the power button. Then you're gonna keep holding the eject button and the sync button. Then it's gonna go into safe mode. Then you're gonna come here. Alright, so I did some research into why it's not working, why it's not gonna work. So this drive doesn't go to this Xbox, right? Whatever. So because the Xboxes have paired motherboards, the only thing that I can do is try multiple optical drives. It's not soldered. Good enough for me. I'm about to go out of this fucking cold. It's coming. Myself to like Henry Ford, you know, the greats and shit like that. Alright, y'all. Looks perfect. Everything looks perfect. Alright, y'all. So I'm a person of reason, right? And this shit is just not gonna work. The drive isn't compatible with the Xbox. It could be that one, it could be this one, it could be this one. So, it's too many ifs. Yeah. It's too many ifs. Alright, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Subscribe.